Hello friends, welcome to Yaya's Spoon. We've got a sweet treat for you today. We're headed out to the country to visit my Aunt Gloria and Uncle Buck in Crandall, Texas, where she's going to share her delicious southern buttermilk pie recipe with us. We're going to be working with dry and wet ingredients. The dry ingredients include 1 deep dish frozen pie crust, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour. Powdered sugar is optional for topping. Wet ingredients include 1 stick, which is a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter melted, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1½ teaspoon fresh squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. First, we need to heat the pie shell by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents the crust from getting soggy with the liquids that will be added. Aunt Gloria suggests poking holes in the bottom of the pie shell with a fork to prevent the pastry dough from puffing up. Once warmed, place the deep dish pie shell in the oven for 10 minutes. While the pie shell is heating, mix the wet ingredients together by adding the lemon juice to the buttermilk, then mix with a fork. Next, add the cooled melted butter. Allowing the butter to cool will prevent it from scrambling the eggs. Combine the sugar and flour. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir well with a fork. No need to worry about an electric mixer. Once the ingredients are all mixed, remove the pie shell from the oven after 10 minutes and pour the mixture into the pie shell. Aunt Gloria recommends using a flat spatula for this step. Now lower the temperature of the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit before placing the pie to cook for 30 minutes. Aunt Gloria uses a silicone baking mat under the pie to prevent any spillage in the oven. I've added a link to this in the description if you're interested. While the pie's cooking, we're going outside to enjoy the countryside. Now it's time to go check the pie. It may appear liquidy in the middle, but it will solidify as it cools. You can also place it back in the oven for additional time if needed. Once the pie is cooked, you'll want to place it on a baking rack to cool for at least 30 minutes before serving. Once it's cooled, you can top it with the powdered sugar, which is optional. Also, Aunt Gloria says to always refrigerate this pie after serving. Thank you, Aunt Gloria and Uncle Buck, for opening your home to share this sweet, delicious recipe with us. We had so much fun, and we're looking forward to next time. Remember, sharing is caring. Enjoy, guys. You got this, and God bless. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming recipes. Also, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave any comments or questions and let me know if you tried the recipe.